In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email funnel sequence in ConvertKit. First, log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're inside, look at the main navigation at the top of the screen. Hover over or click on Send, and from the drop-down menu, choose Sequences. This is where all your automated email sequences live. On the Sequences page, click the New Sequence button. ConvertKit will now show you several email templates. These are just starting points for layout and style. Pick the one that best matches the tone you want, and it will open up in the sequence editor. Inside the editor, start by setting up your first email. At the very top, you'll see the subject line field. This is what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so make it clear and compelling. Right beside the subject, there's an option to edit the preview text. Click Edit Preview Text, and you'll see a field where you can type a short sentence or phrase that appears next to the subject in many email clients. It's optional, but it can really boost your open rates. Below the subject area, you'll see a publish toggle and a setting for when this email should be sent, such as immediately or after a certain number of days. Take a moment to decide the timing that makes sense for your funnel. Under that, you'll find the main email body editor. This is a rich text editor, so you can format text, add links, and structure your content so it's easy to read. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll notice a list of all emails in this particular sequence. For example, you might set up 4 emails. The first could be a welcome and deliver email. Here you want to focus on trust and clarity, and if you promised a free resource, this is where you deliver it. Avoid pitching your offer in this email. The second might be a value email. Teach one strong idea, keep it simple, and give your subscribers something they can apply right away. The third can be a problem and shift email, where you show that you understand their struggle and gently introduce a new way of looking at that problem. Finally, the fourth email can be your offer email, where your product or service feels like the natural next step rather than a sudden sales push. If you want to add more emails to this sequence, click the Add Email button on the right sidebar. To remove an email, click the trash icon near the day selector. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Delete Email if you're sure. Before moving on, double-check that each email you want to send is toggled to Published. Now it's time to connect your sequence to an automation. Go back to the top navigation and click Automate, then select Visual Automations. Inside this area, click New Automation. ConvertKit will show several automation templates. You can choose one that fits your goal or start from scratch if you want full control. In the Visual Automation editor, start by choosing a trigger. This might be something like joins a form or gets a tag. Once the trigger is in place, click the plus icon below it. Choose Action, then select Email Sequence. Use the drop-down to find the sequence you just created, select it, and click Add Action. From here, you can keep refining your automation by adding conditions, delays, or additional actions, depending on how complex you want your funnel to be. When everything looks good and you're ready for people to start going through your funnel, look to the top right of the automation editor and click the active toggle. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to activate the automation. Click Activate, and your funnel is now live. Subscribers who meet the trigger conditions will automatically enter your sequence and start receiving your emails in the order and timing you set.